2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.